Welcome to Mistaagreen family. We focuses on the organic rooftop farming. Do you want to grow your own fresh and healthy food in your urban space? Do you want to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a greener planet? Do you want to join a community of urban farmers who share your passion and vision? If yes, then welcome to Mistaagreen, the ultimate solution for organic rooftop farming in India. Mistaagreen is a company that provides portable farming systems, organic input kits, and online support to help you transform your terrace, balcony, or any other unused space into a lush green organic farm. You can grow a variety of vegetables, herbs, and fruits in our specially designed containers, which are easy to install, maintain, and harvest. You can also enjoy the benefits of organic farming, such as improved air quality, reduced waste, and increased biodiversity. Mistaagreen is more than just a product. It is a service, a movement, and a lifestyle. We have helped over 60 homes across 9 cities in India to grow their own food and become self-reliant. We also work with corporates, schools, hospitals, and hotels to create green walls and roof farms that enhance the aesthetics and functionality of their spaces. Mistaagreen is on a mission to revolutionize urban agriculture and make it accessible, affordable, and sustainable for everyone. Join us today and discover the joy of organic rooftop farming with Mistaagreen.